Hello, Idaho residents, and those of you who are thinking about moving to Idaho. I want to talk to you about the FHA loan programs that are available to you in your state. First thing I want to discuss is how to qualify. So you do need to be able to show a 2-year work history. It does not have to be 2 years at the same job. It's okay if you've switched jobs. If you've switched jobs very recently, we'll need 30 days of pay stubs at your new job. And it's okay if you had a little bit of a gap in between your jobs too. That's acceptable, even though some lenders will not accept that. You can still get that done. You do need a down payment of 3.5%, and that's if your credit scores are over 580. If your credit scores are below 580, then you'll need a 10% down payment. The lowest credit score possible for FHA is 500. So the other thing that you'll need to check on is whether you have any recent credit events. You should know this if you have a recent bankruptcy, for example, or foreclosure. If you've had a bankruptcy and it's a Chapter 7, we may be able to get an exception for you so you don't have to wait the full 2 years after your discharge date. If it was a Chapter 13, we can still do this for you after 12 months of on-time Chapter 13 bankruptcy payments. So you can also stretch your income with an FHA loan. So while conventional loans are going to max you out at a debt-to-income ratio in the 40s, with FHA you can go all the way up to 56.9% debt-to-income, which means you're stretching your buying power with your income. As long as you find a lender that's willing to go that high, we can help you with that too. Now, one important thing is that this home must be your primary residence. That is, there's no bending that rule when it comes to FHA. Now, if you happen to have an FHA loan and you're going to only live in the house for a year or two and you move out, you can still hold on to that home and hold on to it as a rental, and you can still keep the FHA loan on that property without having to change it. But when you're applying for the mortgage and you're going for the loan, your intent has to be to occupy that home as your primary residence. Okay? So another thing you should know is that when I mentioned the down payment, there are some down payment assistance programs in the state of Idaho. We do reference one of them on our website, and also we have a lender that offers the down payment assistance as part of their mortgage package program. So if you're interested in that, we can help you. There are credit score minimums for that, but check with us and we'll let you know what it'll take to qualify for that lender. Well, the lender offered down payment assistance. You're also going to get a great interest rate with FHA. It's one of the best interest rates you can find right now. Most competitive. As I'm recording this, it's even a little bit better than conventional. So while you do have FHA mortgage insurance with every FHA loan, you do have the FHA's version of PMI. If the rate's a little bit better, then the pain of having that mortgage insurance payment is lessened, I suppose. So that's a good thing. We may not have spoken yet about FHA loan limits. You're going to have a maximum FHA loan amount for each county in the state of Idaho. Now, there's a few counties where the loan amount maximum or the loan limit is higher because the cost of living in those counties is higher. Now, we list all of the loan limits for each county on our webpage that I'm linking down below in the first pinned comment, and also the description, where you could take a look at that webpage and scroll down. You can find all the loan limits by county, so you can see what the maximum loan amount is for FHA in your county. And then if you'd like, you can read more about the program. You can see what else is available to you, and you can also get pre-approved. You just navigate to find an FHA lender on the webpage, and we'll help you to get pre-approved. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any other questions, just leave them down below in the comment section or just give us a call. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.